Hey, what's up everybody? You're watching Tech.net, and in this video, let's take a look at what is sorting in Excel. Sorting in Excel can be used to reorder data alphabetically, numerically, by date, by color, or even in a custom order based on the need. Sorting the data makes the data more readable and understandable. It plays an important role when you have the large data set to deal with. Sorting in Excel can be accessed in three different ways: in the Home tab under Editing section, in the Data tab under Sort and Filter section, or in the Filter drop-down of any column. To understand better, let's take an example of the sales data of a stationery store. First, I'd like to sort the data to see the total sales from lowest to highest. In order to do that, click anywhere in the Total Sales column and click on Data tab, and then sort A to Z under Sort and Filter section. The data is now sorted to show the sales values from lowest to highest, and Excel also reordered the data in other columns accordingly so that each row still contains correct information. Similarly, if you want the data in a reverse order, that is highest to lowest, you can achieve that by clicking on Z to A. This will sort the sales values from highest to lowest. You must have noticed that some of the rows in this data are highlighted in a different color. Now let's assume that we need these highlighted cells to appear on top. In order to do that, we have to sort the data by color highlighted. One of the easiest method is to open the drop-down of a column and select Sort by Color and then select the color to sort. This will rearrange the rows with the selected color to appear on the top of the list. To understand further, let's take an example where you want to sort the data based on multiple criteria. For instance, we would like to first sort the data by sales values and then by quantity sold. To do this, go to Data tab and click on Sort under Sort and Filter section. From the pop-up window that appears, tick the checkbox that says My data has headers if your data contains headers. If not, this can be unchecked as well. After that, select Total Sales from the drop-down of the Sort By field and change the order to largest to smallest. We now added one criteria for sorting the data. To add the second criteria, click on Add Level button on the top left corner of the window. This will add another row where we can select the second criteria for sorting the data. Select Quantity Sold from the drop-down of Then By field and then change the order to largest to smallest and click OK. Data visible now is reordered as we wanted it to be. Finally, to understand the sorting function even better, let's take an example where we want to sort the data based on custom criteria. For example, let's say I have to sort a region column with East, West and then Central. Do notice that East, West and Central is neither in ascending nor in descending order. This is a custom order. We can accommodate this by using Custom Sort. To use Custom Sort, go to Data tab and click on Sort under Sort and Filter section. From the pop-up window that appears, select Region under Sort By field and then select Custom List under Order. You will now see one more pop-up window where we will see the custom list on the left side, and on the right side we have a free text field where we can create our own list to sort the data. I will type in East, West and Central as criteria by hitting Enter key after each criteria. Once done, we can click on Add button. This will add the list to the custom list section, from where we can select the list that we just created and click OK. This will now sort the data in the way we wanted it to be. With this, you are now aware of how sort function in Excel can be used to reorder the data as per your requirement. We hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, share and subscribe to our channel for more such contents in future.